Back at you with another video. Got me a new motor here, brand new boy. But some people said the effects, and you absolutely. Alright people, this your man rwmods. I opened it a little bit, took a little peek in there. So let's see what we working with. Y'all ready for this? So a lot of people said, you know, 0.21 RTR, and I was like, wow, that was funny. But some people said the effects, and you absolutely wrong. There it is, baby. There it is. Make sure y'all in the camera. Alrighty. Grab this Reds here, baby. And it's the what they call it, Scooteria or whatever they call it, the 721. Let's check it out. Let's open that thing up. A little bit of foam action there. That's how right there, baby. Hold on. Let's get the paperwork popping first. Alright, we got some stickers. Let me get all that out of there. Alright, let's ship this box to the side. Got some red stickers. Nice. Oops, put that over there. You know, your quality control certificate you do Hickey. Novarossi. Nice. 721S. Scooteria, whatever they call it. The breakdown, shakedown of it. Make sure y'all in the camera. Alright, everything's good. Okay. Yeah. So that's like your, you know, your illustrated parts diagram. Stuff about the carb. See, you notice they went away from that side needle. I ain't like that side needle carb. I like it just like this. But this is the VCX2A carburetor, whatever that is. Short needle. Alright, and engine manual, about all that. Alright, I'm back. Phone call as usual. Alright, so let's get down to the nitty gritty, boo boo. There she is, right there, y'all. Beautiful looking engine. Let me make sure y'all in the camera. Y'all good, yeah. Okay, yeah, everybody good. Alright, yeah, y'all good. Alright. So this engine, man, I wish I can break this thing in right now and race it Saturday, but forget about it, ain't gonna happen. Comes with a 7mm Venturi on that bad boy. Keep that 7 on there. And now black diamond plated. Of course, you know you got the DLC coated crank. Now, the front bearing is Japanese. The rear bearing is ceramic Swiss. They went to that bearing configuration now. And I'm gonna show y'all something really unique about this motor here. Alright. This one, shout out to a man, Werks from rwmods, not RB, rwmods. He did this mod for me here. Let me see if I can get y'all on the camera. Y'all can see here, right? He did this mod right here for me. And this is next level. Trust me when I tell you, this is next level, right? So now, if you buy this engine, you have to get the either the X1 pipe S. You gotta get the S pipe, which has this file down some, okay? Or you can get the manifold, the S manifold. And with the S manifold, you can put any pipe you want on there. But you have to have either the X1 pipe or the or the S manifold, right? But with this mod, I can put any pipe, any manifold on here with this mod. See what I'm saying? So this is the regular X1 pipe. You see that? Boom, fits right on there. Good to go. See that? That's his next level, people. I'm telling you. Now, let's say I want to rock out. With a Novi. This is 41021. I gotta change the gasket, but go right up on there. You see what I mean? Go right up on there. Wait, let me push it on there. Alright. See that? Goes right up on there. See what I mean? Boom. Now, let's say if I wanted to get this modded and rock with a 41032 or maybe a 41001. Boom, right up on there, baby. Right up on there. See that? I can rock any manifold and pipe combination with this motor now. With this mod. With that cooling head mod. Alright? Now, this, people, trust me when I tell you, this is unique. This is next level. This is unique, yo. Now, I'm gonna show you something. Novarossi. Now, this is the keep off 4. Let me move this out the way. This is keep off 4. Nova been doing it for a while. You see, they filed that out down there. All right, let me see. Make sure I get this light on here popping for y'all. All right, see, they filed that down there. This is a great motor too. Right, because the cooling head is low center of gravity. It sits lower inside the motor. All right, so bringing it down lower, it'll interfere with the exhaust. Right now, the thing with this motor, right, and I get it with Reds. So if you get this motor, you have to buy Reds pipe to run it, but not anymore, people. With this mod, you know what I'm saying, you can rock any pipe, any combination. Now, you can use any pipe. If you get the S manifold, you can use any pipe, but you still have to get the Reds manifold, the S manifold. This way, the way it is, just with this mod, you can rock anything you want, any manifold, any pipe. You know what I mean? So it's good. Now, if you want this mod done, say you got this 721 Reds. If you want this mod done, hit the guy up, Werks, on rwmods. I'm gonna leave a link to his website in the description. Hit him up. Just tell him you want the rwmods mod that he did, you know, on my engine, and he'll hook you right up. Now, people, pricing wise, you got to deal with that man about that. That's between you and that man as far as pricing. Okay? I don't know this and that. I ain't got nothing to do with that. Hit him up. Just tell him you want the rwmods mod. Boom, 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 and you good to go. All right? And that's so shout out to Rex from rwmods. Hook me up with this mod. Good to go, baby. Good to go. Good job. Good work there too, man. So yeah, people, I want to take this thing apart. I swear I want to put this thing in the car, but I gotta break it in and all that. Finish breaking it in and all this other stuff. But hopefully y'all can see in there. It looks really good. Maybe I'll take it apart. That'll be in another video. All right, people. It's a beautiful engine. Absolutely beautiful engine. Two needle idle. Your low speed needle there, and your high speed needle there. Your main needle there. Yeah, people. This looks good. This looks real good. All right, people. So just wanted to show y'all that. But again, this mod is unique. Trust me when I tell you. And I get it. Listen, I get it, people. Y'all doing y'all you know, modded 28s, 32s. I get it. Right? You know what I mean? But this is next level. Trust me when I tell y'all. All right? Believe me when I tell you. I can put any pipe on here, any manifold on here. That's love. You know what I mean? All right, people. This your man, Raj111. Like I said, I'm out Scope Creek tomorrow. The race. Sunday, up New York. For the 5th scale drag race event. Come out, holler at me, alright? Alright, good people. So, I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.